Everybody knows how long it takes to clean your car. So in today's video, I go over a few different techniques and products that I use on my 2013 FRS to get it cleaned under an hour. Let's get right into it. A couple things you're gonna need for this quick clean is number one, a foam cannon. Number two, to support your foam cannon is a pressure washer. You can get one at Home Depot for about $100, a small one, you keep it mobile. Number three, a small gun that's gonna come in handy. You get it on Amazon for like 20 bucks. And then about a 45-degree angle nozzle here, because if you go any smaller, you're gonna destroy the paint on your car. And then if you decide to do the 2-bucket method, we have one bucket here with our soap and a wash mitt, and then we have our second bucket here with just some water, another wash mitt, and obviously 2 grit guards in here. We're gonna set our timer here for an hour, and we're gonna get rolling. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna loosen up some of the dirt on the car with just some water. You watered up your car, working from the top down to push any dirt from the top of the car, push it down. We could attach our foam cannon and soap it up. We have our pretty hot water here. Go ahead and slap her on from the top bottom. Back and forth movement, so you didn't get swirls. Make sure you're always soapy, because if not, any dirt debris that's on your mitt, you're gonna drag it across your paint. You wanna work one side panel at a time. So we're working from the top panel, then the hood, half of the hood. Our dirty bucket, put that there, put this one here, and then we'll hit the guards, the grit guards on the bottom. So if you guys notice, I haven't hit the bottom, and that is because we're gonna save this blue one after we're done, more so for the top of the car. We're gonna hit the bottom line of the car with our blue rag here. Squeezing out our green one before we give it a dive in our good soap. Our green one is just for the kind of top portion of the car. So I'll show you guys the line that I'm working off of here, kind of this bottom line. So the side skirts, you wanna save for an extra rag, because side skirts are usually more dirty than the top of the car, the upper half of the car. Side note, it's not ideal to work in the sun, because as you see, the soap is already dried up, the water, and that leaves water spots. So if you do have no choice to work in the sun, then you're gonna want a water spot remover. If you feel like one side has gotten a good bit dirtier than the other side, give it a flip, because we're cleaning the front bumper right now. It's full of bug guts. All right, we got a majority of the car covered except for the kind of bottom half, and the wheels, so we're gonna tackle that. All right, so this is a little more particular, but if you have places there's dirt in kind of these small areas, and if it's like gunked up there and you wanna get it out, then you want a small brush to get it out. All right, we're gonna clean our wheels real quick. P&S Brake Buster, pretty good degreaser to get any gunk off your wheels. It's a little more harsh, so don't use it on your paint. So we're just doing kind of a quick clean on the wheels. Usually what I would do on some nicer wheels is get a little paintbrush like we had before and clean it that way, or you could use one of those long stick brushes. Our dirty bucket is gonna get a good bit dirty since we're cleaning the wheels. I just moved over my mitts into the new bucket. All right, so we're gonna push the soap, well, what's left of it in the water, from the top down. I thought it was bird poop, but it looks like it was bird poop, and it was left on there for a while. So I just kind of went at it for a minute, but that's what it looks like when you have bird poop. You leave it on there for a long time, and it eats away at the paint, because that's not coming off. And you can see the aluminum behind that. So this hood is toast. Time check, 15 minutes, just about. All right, wash her down. So now we're just gonna dry her off, and then we have two more steps after that. Just kind of want to drag the towel across, kind of pulling the water off. So the nice thing about when it's sunny out, besides your car getting water spots, you don't have to dry it as much because it's already dry. When you're drying, I hold one piece of the towel and use the other side to kind of dry. This way Towel's not flopping all around. 2 final steps. We've removed a layer of paint by cleaning our car. We're gonna reapply it using a wax. You rub it into your microfibers. Just go over each panel. So after you apply the wax, just turn your rag over, buff it out. Keep an eye out for any kind of dust, dirt, debris that you didn't clean off. You don't want to rub it into your paint. Encountered some dirt down below, or I'm not going to reuse that side. Flip it. Time check, 4 minutes, 50 seconds. So we got tireless shine. Applicator, light on the outside to give it that matte finish. About 3 minutes left on the clock there. I think we did pretty good. All right guys, that about wraps it up for today's video. Quick clean, under an hour for our newly acquired FRS, her first wash. If you guys learned something new and if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give me a like down below. It goes a long way. And while you're down there, consider subscribing. Shows me you guys like what I'm doing here. I could do more. But other than that, I think I'm gonna get that up out of here and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.